students, how are you all? I hope you all will be very fine. So we are seeing chapter 10, that is communication. So in today's class also we are going to learn about the communication. Now we are going to learn about the mass communication. So the first is, when an idea is communicated to many people at the same time, it is known as mass communication. Okay, so for example, books, magazines and newspapers communicate an idea to several people at the same time. So these many things will be received to the peoples at the same time. Okay, we are receiving our newspapers, right? So for each and every one it will be receiving in the same time. So that is known as the mass communication. So it is one of the example. Next is, they are the means of mass communication. Today we know a lot about what is happening around the world. So the invention of the radio, cinema and televisions revolutionized mass communication. More recently, the internet has become a powerful means of mass communication. So in the net only we are using so much of things. Using internet we can't do anything. Likewise it is happened in our daily life. So it is the powerful means of mass communication. So let us learn about some means of mass communication one by one. So according to that, first comes the printing. So since printing was invented by John Gutenberg in Germany in the year 1443. So the printed word has been a powerful means of mass communication. Okay, the first printed newspapers appeared about 400 years ago. So in the 400 years ago itself, the printed newspapers was appeared. So in 1609 in Germany. Newspapers and magazines gives us news and informations from all over the world. Billions of books which gives us information on all subjects are available today. So these are the points about the printing. Next is the radio. So it was an Indian scientist, Jagadish Chandra Bose, who first showed that radio signals could be sent over long distances without wires. Okay, so this person is the Jagadish Chandra Bose who showed the radio signals. Next is the Italian scientist Guglielmo Marconi. So this Marconi improved his work and is recognized as the inventor of the radio. So today the radio is the cheapest method of mass communication. In several radio stations broadcast news, educational programs and entertainment programs from all over the world using this radio. Next comes the cinema. So all love to see cinema, right? So we can see about the cinema. The first film was shown on the screen about 115 years ago. So 115 years munadiye they had the first film was shown in the screen in the year 1895. So talking films came about 25 years later. Today, cinema is an important means of entertainment. Documentary films used for educations and giving informations. Moving on to the next is televisions. So televisions was invented in England by John Logie Baird in 1926. So it is only about 18 years ago. Within this period, it has become the most popular means of mass communication. It has the great advantage of having both sight and sound. So now people can see the pictures and hear people's talk. While sitting comfortably in their homes, several television channels broadcast news, education and entertainment programs. Important sports and cultural events are also shown live in televisions. So we are all seeing the televisions, right? So from the home itself we could able to see the sports, cricket nama papo, then TV serials, then comedy shows. So each and everything we are seeing in a single television. Okay, move on to the next one is internet. So internet we all know. What want information on any subject, so if you are having any doubts in the subject, what we are doing? Are we asking to the class teacher or to the subject majis? No, right? We are asking to the internet. Simply search the net. You will have so much information that will become difficult to select. So when we are searching for a picture, so a boy is riding a cycle. That is the thing which we are searching in the internet. So n number of pictures you will be getting in the internet. So related to the news also you will be getting images, then all the informations about the cycle, everything we used to get in the internet. So it will be very difficult to select what you need. The internet is the fast and efficient way of sending informations around the world. That is why it is sometimes called the information superhighway. The internet is known as the information superhighway. Next is social networking. So social networking is a new method of communicating over the internet. You can communicate with a group of friends on the internet using the service of a social networking site such as www.facebook.com. Any messages you give on the site gets shared between all members of the group. You can keep your group limited to just close friends, or you can add hundreds of friends. The choice is yours. Anyone over the age of 18 can join these sites. Okay, so when a people is in the age of 18, you can join a site. Okay, so when we are creating a mail ID itself, we used to have the age of 18. So this is the social networking is so important. Okay, so you could see here the Facebook icon. Yes, right? So in this Facebook, each and everyone could have been learnt. Okay, so Facebook la we have array of friends, n number of friends we can search, we can add them as a friend. So these are all some of the mass communication, children. Moving on to the next is satellite communication. So what is satellite communication? Yes, since the earth is around, sending radio and television signals around the world was a problem. Okay, so communication satellites solved this problem. If problems this satellite came and solved this problem. How? We can see. These satellites are sent into outer space by rockets. They revolve around the earth. So by looking at this picture, you can see they revolve around the earth's signals are sent up to the satellites which transmit them back to earth, covering much larger area in the process. It is because of these satellites that you can see events such as cricket matches being played in England or West Indies live on your televisions. Telephones and computer signals are also sent to other countries through satellites. So this is the picture of a communication satellite orbiting the earth. Okay, children? Okay, children, till this we had learnt about the mass communication and satellite communication. So till this our lesson is getting over, ma. So along with this video you will be receiving your classwork writing as a PDF format. So when you are receiving your video, you have to put that date and you have to mention as lesson 10 communication, leave one line and write answer the following. So Maji had given in the PDF format answer the following. Okay, so you all know how to write in the classwork. You can write your question in your black pen and answer in the blue pen. Each and every answer is getting over. You have to leave one line and complete your classwork. So we can meet in the next class, children. Thank you, ma.